Greetings to all. This is Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, IT Department from SNS College of Engineering. Now we are going to see about the file system storage in operating system. File concept. The file is named as the collection of related information that is recorded on the secondary storage. From the user perspective, the file is the smallest allotment of the logical secondary storage. That is, the data cannot be written to the secondary storage unless they are written within a file. Examples of the file. The text file is a sequence of characters organized into the lines and possibly that is pages. The source file is a sequence of subroutines and the functions, and it is easily further organized as the declarations followed by the executable. Next one, file attributes. We have the 7 file attributes, that is name, identifier, type, location, size, production, time, date and user identification. First one is name. Here we define the name of the particular file, and next one is identifier. In identifier, they have that unique identified ID of the file. Next one is type. Here we define that which type and the type name of that file. Fourth one is location. Here it defines where the file is located. Fifth one is size. Here denotes that size of the particular file. Next one, production. Here how to product, how the process or methods for producting the files. Next one is time, date and user identification. Here and the file is used, time, date and user identification IDs are mentioned here. Next one, file attributes. That is name. The symbolic of the file name is the only information kept in the human readable form. Second one is identifier. This unique tag, usually the number, identifies the file within the file system. It is the non-human readable name for the file. Third one is type. This information is needed for those systems that supports the different types. Fourth one is location. This information is the pointer to the device and to the location of the file on the device. Next one is size. The current size of the files, that is in bytes, words or the blocks, and possibly the maximum allowed size are included in this attribute. Fifth one is production. The access control information determines who can do the reading, writing, executing and so on. It comes under the production attribute. Next one is time, date and user identification. This information may be kept for the creation and the last identification and the last use. These data can be useful for production, security and the usage monitoring. Next one is file operation. Here we have the 6 file operations. First one is creating a file. Second one is writing a file. Third one is reading a file. Fourth one is repositioning within a file. Fifth one is deleting a file. And then last one is truncating the file. These are the file operations. Next one is file types. Here they are given the file types and the usual extensions and the functions. The first one is executable file type. Usual extension is exe or com, and the function of the executable file type is read to run the machine language program. Likewise, second one is object. Object, the file extension of that object is obj or the o, and the function is to compile the machine language and not linked. Third one is source code, that is C, Java programs are comes under the source code. Next, the function of the source code is in various languages. Next one is batches represent as sh and the commands to be the command interpreted as the function. Here we have the shell programming or comes under in the batch file type. Next one is text file type. The usual extension is txt. The function of the text file type is textual data on the documents. Next one is word processor. Word processor, the usual extension is WP. The function of the word processor is various word processor formats. Next one, library. Library file type, the usual extension is LIP, and the function is libraries of the routines for the programs. Likewise, we have that remaining three. The here we have that notable one, multimedia, that is the MVEG or the MOVRRM. The function is to binary file containing the audio or the audio video informations. Thank you.